Hello, this is Raphael Shantarai, and this is a continuation of the project 2. I named mine Client API. Right. So right at the base of it, this is the home page where you're asked to log in to access authenticated endpoints. So we're not going to log in at present. We're just going to get in just so we see what we can do and what we cannot do. Um, there we are. Gonna try and get our clients. Do execute that. Take a look at that video. There we are. We can actually see all the clients that we have currently in the database. Okay. With those three clients. Right. Say we want to try and post a new client. Let's try this out. Gonna execute. Those see that we are unauthorized, right? So we cannot do much here, right? Why is that? Because we are logged out, right? So we're going to go back in and try to log in, see how far it goes. Okay. So our login process is authenticate and GitHub. So if you're a first time user, the moment you authenticate through GitHub, your account is created basing off of the information provided by GitHub. So my account is already logged on. I'm already a user. I've already created my account. So I'll just have this, right? It says, welcome back, Raphael Shonta, right? Got my name from my GitHub. You're successfully logged in, authentication is true. And the user ID, the email. Well, my email on GitHub is private, so it's just kept as an example, and then my name, and then the logout URL and all, right? So since we're logged in, we're going to go and see what we can do. API docs. Is that it? Yeah, API docs. We wanted to create, okay, let's just test everything. Try out, execute. There we are. Right, we have all those clients. So we're going to create a new client. Okay, we're going to give this client an ID. Type it for. We're going to call this client. We're going to call this client one man private manufacturer's phone, right? So the code, we're just going to call the phone 001. Then address Vice on street. Additional information true. Say 1. Folder. Oh, my folder stuff is 26. So we're gonna create this. See, it worked out, right? And we created our new user, right? Now the update function, and we're going to try and update that user. We called it for So I'm just going to take everything there is there. With everything there is put it here. Except for this. Right. Now I'm going to add another employee there. James Mother. Okay. So that's us updating the client. Please correct. Okay. It says there's some incorrect case. Oh yeah. Supposed to put in that. And it should execute now. See? That's updated. We should be fine. Let's get all the employees within that ID. Try it out. Okay. Execute that. Oh, that's one I put in there. I didn't intend to get one. I intended to get full, so we get the one that we just entered. Here we are. So James Mad is in there. Stuff on my border is in there. So we good. All right. So that's just how everything works. Maybe one last endpoint we're going to have to try and create. We're going to try and delete a particular employee. So we try that out. So we're going to delete from 2, going to delete the second employee. Execute. All right. So you find that employee was removed successfully. Client 2, we removed the ID 2 on employee. So there we do not have the second one. Right. So my endpoints are working correctly. And I can access everything while logged in. Right. Now to end this session, I will have to log out. So it's off. And then log out. There we are. Right. It says we logged out successfully. So that's pretty much what the project is about. We created our API, we have all the endpoints, and we have limitations to what you can do if you're not authenticated, if authentication is false. And while authenticated, you can access pretty much everything and do everything there is there, right? And there are sessions that are created at login, and when you log out, the session ends, and you have to begin again. Well, awesome. That's it. Thank you very much.